Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you the fastest and most professional way to automate your Facebook posting for maximum traffic in 2026. Manual posting is a waste of time. To dominate the feed without getting banned, you need a professional infrastructure like 𝐓𝐞𝐿 Post to handle hundreds of groups and pages simultaneously. First, manage your unlimited accounts in a secure dashboard. Our software uses advanced fingerprint isolation to ensure every profile stays safe and undetectable by Meta's security AI. Next, set up your content with spin technology to bypass spam filters. A standout feature is background mode. It runs silently, saving your CPU and RAM so you can keep working while the tool posts for you. We can monitor every success in real time with our live progress bar. Once finished, simply export your entire posting history to a file to track your results and refine your marketing strategy. Ready to scale your business? Contact our expert team via Telegram at 𝐓𝐞𝐿𝐍𝐄 or WhatsApp at +84,376,119,126. Like and subscribe for more pro-level automation secrets.